Financial Friday, retirement planning made simple. Your future starts now. Most people wait too long to prepare, but smart planners act early. With the 5 years before you retire, learn proven strategies to secure income, minimize stress, and retire confidently. Build your retirement game plan, link in bio. This message was brought to you by Mr. Why, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels, Truality.Legalese, Mental, and Unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my central platform, Truality.Finance.